Hello students, today we will find out hole concentration in intrinsic semiconductors. So in intrinsic semiconductors, when temperature is greater than 0 degree Kelvin, the electrons move from valence band to the conduction band by leaving holes in the valence band. So we will find out the hole concentration in the valence band of intrinsic semiconductors. So as we discussed, when temperature is greater than 0 degree Kelvin, semiconductor become conducting and large number of electrons are present in the conduction band by leaving holes in the valence band. So to find the number of holes, that is hole concentration in intrinsic semiconductors, so we should know the formula. A formula for hole concentration, that is number of holes in the valence band, is given by P. Okay, P stands for the number of holes in the valence band, that is hole concentration, equal to integral from bottom of the valence band to the top of the energy level of valence band, 1 minus Fe into GVE, where Fe is nothing but the Fermi function, where GV is the density of states of valence band. Okay, so 1 minus Fe represent the probability of vacant energy states, whereas GV is the available energy states, that is density of states in the energy range E to E plus dV. So the formula of Fermi energy, okay, the expression of Fermi energy by using FD, that is Fermi direct statistics, is given by F is equal to 1 upon 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by KT, where EF is Fermi energy, K is Boltzmann constant, T is temperature, E is the energy. Suppose this is the equation number 2. Also, the density of states of valence band is given by this following expression: GV is equal to 4 pi by h cube twice mh to the power 3 by 2 EV minus C to the power half. Okay, as the energy is less than that of the energy of top of the valence band. Now we'll substitute the value of GVE and FE in equation number 1. So by substituting the above values of Fe and GVE in equation number 1, so equation number 1 becomes this number of holes, that is hole concentration, is equal to integral from minus infinity to EV 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by KT. So this is the value of Fe from equation number 2, and this 4 pi h cube twice mh to the power 3 by 2 EV minus E to the power half. So this is the expression from equation number 3, that is this is the expression of density of states from equation number 3. And we have set the limits from minus infinity to EV. This EV is the top of the valence band, and below this EV the energy levels can be extended to the minus infinity. So that's why we have put the limit minus infinity to EV. Now we will solve this integral. We know that this 1 plus exponential is in denominator. When we bring this 1 plus e to the power is exponential to the power exponential to E minus EF by KT, when we bring to the numerator, so it will go to the power minus 1. So this term become now this 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by KT, okay, raised to the power minus 1. Now we will solve this 1 plus, this is the of the type of expression 1 plus x to the power minus 1. So we will expand this term. So expansion of this term is 1 plus x to the power minus 1 is 1 minus x plus higher powers. We will neglect this power. So expansion of this bracket will be, okay, where here we have given the meaning of this those terms. Mh is effective mass of holes, Ev is energy and energy of top of the valence band, Ef is Fermi energy, H is Planck's constant, K is Boltzmann constant, and T is temperature. Okay, now in this next step we'll expand this bracket, so it will be 1 minus exponential of E minus Ef by KT, and we'll neglect the higher powers. So by neglecting the higher powers, the expression will become the whole concentration is equal to integral from minus infinity to EV 1 minus. So after expansion of this bracket term, 1 minus exponential of E minus EF by KT into 4 pi h cube twice mh to the power 3 by 2 EV minus C half into DE. Okay, so While expansion we have neglected the higher powers, okay, higher order terms. So in this expansion we will get 1 minus exponential of e minus ef by kt. Now we will solve this bracket, so this 1 will cancel out. Now minus minus is plus, so we'll get number of holes or hole concentration is equal to integral from minus infinity to ev exponential of e minus ef by kt into 4 pi h cube twice mh to the power 3 by 2 ev minus c to the power half into de. Okay, now in this, look at this exponential term, we'll take minus common, so here we'll get minus ef minus e. Okay, so where by taking minus common, so in this term, so we'll get integral from minus infinity to ev exponential of minus ef in the bracket ef minus e by kt, and rest of the terms are same. Okay, now look at this bracket, there is a term ev minus e and here is no term of ev, so we will adjust the term ev here, okay, in the power of exponential. So by adjusting ev minus ev plus ev, so we will adjust, okay, we are adjusting ev in inside this bracket, so minus ev plus ev, okay, rest of the terms are same. Now we will solve this term, okay, in this term, okay, we will bring this minus ev to that, to the nearby ef, and this e is at the last of the bracket or last term, so here ev will bring nearby ef, so ef minus ev plus will bring this minus e in last, so we'll get ev minus e in the bracket, so minus is common and rest of the terms are same. Now we will split this, the power of exponential, we will split this. After splitting we will get, so we here we are multiplying minus, okay, in the bracket, so this minus ef minus ev in the bracket, here plus minus minus, so minus ev minus e, rest of the terms are same. Okay, now we will split this power of this exponential, so after splitting, here is kt is common denominator, so this kt is with this bracket, also this kt is this bracket, so we will split the power of exponential, so we'll get this, okay, after splitting we will get exponential of minus ef minus ev by kt minus of ev minus e by kt, rest of the terms are same. Now we will split this powers of exponential, and we know that the exponential of a minus b is nothing but exponential of a into exponential of minus b. So by using that rule we will split these powers of exponential, so we will get, so by splitting those powers of exponential we'll get exponential of minus ef minus ev by kt into exponential of minus ev minus e by kt. Now look at this term, here is ev minus e, here is also ev minus e, and rest of the terms, okay, the rest of the terms do not contain ev, so this term will take outside the integral, as well as these terms will take outside the integral. So after taking those terms outside the integral, okay, we have taken this term outside the integral as well as this term outside the integral, so inside the integral these two terms will remain, so integral from minus infinity to ev minus e half into e to the power minus ev minus of minus ev minus e by kt into de. Okay, now we will solve that integral. Okay, this is suppose equation number 5, and this we will solve this integral. Okay, so this integral of the type of integral from minus infinity to ev x to the power half into exponential of minus ax into dx, where x is nothing but ev minus e and a is nothing but a is 1 by kt. Okay, so this integral is of the type where x is equal to u minus e and a is equal to 1 by 80. So we know the solution of this integral, this is standard integral, and the solution of this integral is integral from ec to infinity x to the power half into exponential of minus ax into dx. So answer is root pi divided by twice a into root a, where a is 1 by kt. So we will put the solution of this integral in the form of this. Okay, so by putting the solution of this integral, we'll get equation number 5 becomes, okay, this is the constant 4 pi h cube into twice mh 3 by 2 e to the power exponential to the power minus ef minus ev by kt. Now by putting the solution of that integral, root pi 2 into 1 by kt into under root 1 by kt, okay, where a is 1 by kt. Okay, now we'll solve this. 1 by kt to the power 1, and here 1 by kt to the power half. Okay, this is 1 by kt to the power half. So after combining this is 1 by kt power 1, this is 1 by kt power half, so it will be 1 by kt power 3 by 2. This is 1 by kt power 3 by 2. Okay, when we will bring this into the numerator, so it is kt to the power 3 by 2, it is kt to the power 3 by 2. Okay, here is also the term of the power 3 by 2, here is also the term of power 3 by 2, so kt will go inside this bracket. So we get here in the bracket twice mh kt to the power 3 by 2. Now this is 2 and this is 4, so it can be dividable. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s 4, so here is 2 pi, and here is a pi to the power half, means 1 by 2, that is half, and here is a pi to the power 1. So pi combine and it will get pi to the power 3 by 2. So this pi can be taken into that bracket because it has a power 3 by 2, because here is pi to the power half and it is pi to the power 1. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So pi can be taken inside the bracket, okay, with the same power 3 by 2. Okay, now h cube can be written in the power of 3 by 2, that is h square power 3 by 2. 2 to cancel and we will get back to h cube. So h cube can be written in the power of 3 by 2, that is h square to the power 3 by 2. Now this h square can be bring inside this bracket in the denominator because it has same power 3 by 2. So h cube will go to this bracket in the denominator, so you will get 2 pi mh kt power by the h square and to the whole power 3 by 2. Now this bracket term and this 2 into this bracket term is effective density of states for valence band. Okay, this is effective density of state for valence band, and that can be denoted by nv. So number of holes, that is hole concentration, is equal to nv exponential of minus ef minus ev by kt, where nv is nothing but 2 into 2 pi mh kt divided by h square to the power 3 by 2. This is called effective density of states of valence band. And so this is the final expression, P equal to NV into exponential of minus EF minus EV by KT. So this is the equation which gives the whole concentration of valence band of intrinsic semiconductors. So, and the value of this whole concentration for silicon at room temperature is 10 to the power 25 per meter per cube. So this is the final number of holes in the intrinsic semiconductor, okay, which are present in the valence band. So that's all for today. So today we have seen that complete derivation to find out the whole concentration in the valence band of intrinsic semiconductors. So thank you very much.